Please, don't pull my tooth! Tom!
Stop!
Tom, come back!
Tom, I'm not gonna hurt you.
My tooth is black. I don't want to lose it.
Tom, we are all here with you. It's my fault.
Tom, can you tell me what happened?
Children, it's bedtime. I will brush my teeth first. Me too. Mom will think I brushed my teeth.
Just one small bag.
Tom, you didn't brush.
Don't tell anyone. Candy before bed is bad. Nothing will happen. Ouch. What? No. This can't be real. Breakfast is ready.
Why aren't you smiling today?
I'm just sleepy. Show me your tooth. Oh. Is it very bad?
We should tell Mom.
Please don't. It hurts.
Come here, son. Tom, let me see your tooth. Your tooth needs help.
No dentist.
Let's go before it becomes worse.
I'm scared.
We'll stay with you the whole time.
You'll be okay, Tom.
We'll stay with you.
I'm not ready.
We'll go in together.
No.
Not that chair. It's okay, Tom.
No. I don't want to go.
Tom, please wait. It's okay, Tom. Hello, Tom. I'm not here to hurt you. We can just talk.
Look what I have. It's only a little mirror. Would you like to see it?
You're very brave. It's
Not scary.
Tom, let me tell you a story. These tiny sugar bugs love sweet candy. They make little holes in our teeth. I think they visited your tooth.
Tom, did you brush your teeth before bed?
no. I only turned on the water.
Thank you for telling me the truth. Is there anything else you want to tell me?
I ate gummy candy after that.
I'm sorry.
Thank you for telling the truth. Now we can make your tooth healthy again.
Okay. I'll be brave. I'm right here with you.
Come in, Tom. We will do it together.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great job, Tom. Before we start, I'll show you everything. This little mirror only helps me see your tooth. See? It's very gentle.
I'm ready now.
First, I will gently clean your tooth. You are doing an amazing job.
It doesn't hurt.
Perfect. Your tooth is nice and clean.
Open just a little wider. Excellent, Tom. You're doing great. Here is the tiny hole the sugar bugs made.
I understand now.
Now I'll fill the tiny hole. You're doing wonderfully. This blue light makes your filling strong. All finished. Your tooth is healthy again.
Take a look at your healthy tooth.
Wow, it looks so good!
Your smile is beautiful again.
Thank you, doctor.
Now I'll show you the best way to brush. Brush every tooth with small circles. Don't forget the back and the top.
I can do it now.
Tom, what will you do from now on?
I will brush every morning and every night before bed.
Excellent. Your teeth will stay strong and healthy. You earned a special reward today.
Thank you. I love them.
You were very brave today.
Bye. I'll keep my teeth clean. Time to brush my teeth. Great job, Tom.
That's the perfect way to brush.
Ah.
I'll brush every morning and every night.
Good night, Tom. Good night. My teeth are clean.
Sleep well, champion. Sweet dreams, Tom.
First, I brushed my teeth. You remembered all by yourself. I'm so proud of you, Tom. Healthy teeth every day.
What would you like today, Tom?
I'll have an apple.
Healthy food helps healthy teeth.
My teeth feel strong.
Subscribe for more easy English stories.